joined by Kelsey Wolf, who is with Southwest Human Development. Thanks for joining us today.
Yeah, thank you, Corey.
Now, you are one of the largest nonprofits here in the Valley, and you've been around for over 30 years, and you focus on reaching children at their most crucial point in life.
Exactly.
Ages 1 to 5. How are you doing that?
So we have over 40 different programs, and we serve over 135,000 children and their families each year.
Oh.
And so our programs range from early literacy, child health and development, child welfare. We do a lot of programs training child care professionals, as well as early disability services for young children through our affiliate with Easter Seals and our early literacy programs.
So it's not just children who have maybe learning disabilities, but parents who are just say, you know what, I want my child to literally have a jump start on their education.
Exactly, because we recognize that a child's early experiences really build the foundation for a successful life.
It's amazing how many mothers, you know, especially for their first child, I'm not sure how this goes.
Yeah.
Or, I want to focus on early education, but, you know, again, it's their first child, so they're not really sure how to approach that process. And
right.
You kind of offer an all-encompassing, you know, curriculum, so to speak, to kind of get them on the right track and help them.
Exactly.
Great. Well, real quick, you have these colorful toys here. Are these things that you use as a part of your program?
Exactly.
Okay.
So a lot of these are from our Children's Developmental Center that we have. It's one of the only facilities in the state that brings together a range of physicians. We have pediatricians, feeding therapists, speech pathologists that will assess and treat a child with complex disabilities or developmental disorders.
Okay.
And then this is our, what we like to call our happy chair from our Adapt shop. And we have a little sample here. This is customized out of foam, and it provides children with disabilities that aren't able to sit upright the chair so that they can build those muscles and be able to really interact with their family. And so it is comfortable. Yeah, it's really soft actually, and you know, parents will do a nice cover on it, and what's great is it's a free resource. And so oftentimes families are spending $6,000 for a wheelchair that's not custom fit to their child, and so this is custom fit. It's a free resource, and it really helps them build muscles so that they're able to do things like sit and read with their sibling, sit at the table and eat, things that they have never been able to do before.
It's pretty mobile.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, and then you have some other items here. Are these just some of the things that...
Yeah, so at our Children's Developmental Center, our therapists will engage with children like their parents would, just to be able to see how they're doing and really make a full assessment. And then they work on things, you know, in the therapy session as well.
So they really do, I mean, it's not just kind of telling you what you need to do, but they evaluate you thoroughly before. Okay. Well, you have a walk coming up. So the public can support your program that mainly focuses on children with disabilities?
Yes.
Okay, and tell me the details about that.
Yeah, so that is on Saturday, April 26th at Steele Indian School Park in Phoenix. This is our 6th annual event, and it's the Easter Seals Walk With Me event. And we are really excited for this new year. We had 1,000 people last year attend, and we raised over $135,000 for children with disabilities here in the Valley locally.
Wow.
Yeah.
135,000?
Yeah.
Well, that's a great turnout.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if anybody wants information about the walk or a little more information about you, what's your website?
Our website is swhd.org.
That's easy.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Kelsey, for joining us today.
Thank you, Corey.